Hello everybody, this is Jeff at etrailer.com. Today we're going to take a look at this surface mount warm white LED adjustable reading light with the USB port for your RV. Now this reading light will help illuminate any darkened interior of your RV or camper, provides a nice bright concentrated light near your bed, chair, or sofa. And they do use long-lasting energy efficient LED bulbs which will burn brighter than incandescent bulbs. It is a nice swivel light fixture. You can see the spotlight part can be angled into any position you need. The button right here on the base, this will let you turn the light on and off. And it's not a click button, it's actually a touch button. I'm going to show you at the end of this video when I hook it up to some power, how you just touch it and you can change the lighting. It does have two different light settings which will provide a level of adjustability. The spotlight portion right up here, and then it has a ring light right back here that when you mount this up against your wall or ceiling, when you hit the button the first time, it sort of gives you an accent light around the whole bottom of the light. And again, at the very bottom, there's a USB port that'll let you charge any electronic devices. It does have a nice matte black finish for a nice stylish appearance. You can see the two holes right here. It's a 2-hole bolt-on installation onto your ceiling or your wall. It includes the 2 mounting screws, and it can be wired to a light switch inside your RV or camper. It is a 2-wire design. You can see it has a black and white wire. The black is your lead wire for power, the white is for your ground, and the length on the wires is about 6.5 inches long. A few dimensions on the light itself. The spotlight portion, the diameter, is going to be right at 1 1/8 inches. The length, I'm going to first give you the length of just the light from the front to the back of the light, and that's going to be right at 2 1/8 inches. Now the length of this flexible neck from the back of the light to the base is going to be right at 3 inches. And the base diameter itself is right at 3 1/8 inches. Now the LEDs in the spotlight, there's 3 of them. In the ring light, there's 12 of them. The light type is a warm white. The color temperature is 3,500 Kelvin. That USB port at the bottom we mentioned, it's a 5-volt, 2.1 amp port. And the power draw on this light at 12 volts is 1.27 amps. So what I'm going to do now is hook it up to some power, show you how bright the light is. So we'll go ahead and hook up our white wire to the ground, black wire to our power. Go ahead and turn on our 12-volt power. And then if you'll notice that button right there, if you just touch it, first time you touch it, you can see that ring light comes on, sort of like an accent or night light. So then this is mounted, it sort of gives you, and then if you touch that button again, it'll turn on the spotlight. So let me go ahead and turn off our overhead lights and you can see, and then if you hit it a third time, completely turns the whole fixture off. So touch it once, gives you the nice ring light. There's your USB port right at the bottom. Touch it again, that'll give you your spotlight, and you can put it in whatever direction you need. Touch it again and it turns it off. We'll go ahead and turn off our power. But that should do it for the review on the surface mount warm white LED adjustable reading light with the USB port for your RV.